This is the Lockpicker 1969, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the next episode of Mini Lock Monday. So today we've got 19 locks left on the wheel. Let's give it a spin and see what I'm picking today. Looks like it's going to be number 6, generic brass 40mm padlock. So let's get to picking. All right, here we go. Unfortunately, I forgot to turn the microphone on before starting this video, so I did a voiceover. Hope you don't mind. So this is a cheap Chinese knockoff, probably lock. The tolerances were terrible in it, but very, very crunchy lock, but definitely was not a terrible open. I did look at the lock, and it's painted a gold color, so who knows what metal is actually used to make this lock. But anyways, there you go.